Hi, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group at Compass. Thank you for joining me today. I love talking to other agents and coaching other agents about their business. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about open houses. A lot of people don't understand just how great open houses are in order to help other people and gain clients, whether buyers or sellers. If you have done open houses consistently, good for you, because it's one of the best ways and the least expensive ways for you to create value in that neighborhood, in that community, but also to bring in people that you don't know otherwise. How many opportunities do we get where we get to talk to people about their real estate needs, whether it's to buy or sell, and have face-to-face contact with them when we don't know them? So open houses are the very best way to do that. And some of the key points I want to share with you are, first of all, to set the stage for success. First impressions are everything. So make sure that you have impeccable curb appeal, that the front door is freshly painted. If this is your listing, if it's not your listing and you're looking for open houses, you can kind of seek out properties that you may want to do an open house for, and then find the agents that actually have the listings, because maybe they are busy with other clients and can't do the open houses, but want somebody who's really capable to help service those buyers. And then in the realm of all of that, you may also find that there may be other people in the community that want to talk to you about selling their home. So start with great welcoming environment, including flowers. If it's your listing, talk to your owners about flowers, green plants at the front door, a freshly painted door, lots and lots of signs if possible. If they allow it, please do lots of signs, because you may get people that may not be looking for a home at that moment, but once they see the signs, they're curious enough to want to come in and check it out. Number two is to amplify your marketing. So I very often will like to list a home on a Thursday or Friday so that we have the opportunity to do open houses that first weekend. But I also like to send out little invitations, which are actually invitation size cards, to all of the neighbors. And I think this is a great way to invite those neighbors and make them feel comfortable and welcome to come, because a lot of times they would love to see this home, but they feel a little awkward because maybe they're not selling at the moment, but they are curious. And by actually inviting them, you could go door knock, or you could mail cards to them, but try to do it a few days ahead of time so that they can get it on their calendar. Even include a note that says something like, I realize you may not be in the market at the moment to purchase a home, but maybe you know somebody that might be, and how would you like to help choose your neighbor? By the way, I would love to have you stop by. We'll have some sodas and soft drinks, and if you're going to do that, or you may even have a drawing. I like to ask people their impression of different parts of the house, including their first impression, the landscaping, the interior, as far as the layout, and get that feedback that we can then share with the seller or the listing agent if it's not your listing. But I also sometimes realize that giving them a little bit more of an incentive, maybe a gift card or something of that sort, might really compel them to do a little more, or to even just show up. So a $50 gift card to Home Depot, or a $5 coffee gift card to everybody that comes, is a good way to get a lot more traction and for you to get some valuable information, even from the neighbors, because your sellers may tell you some things about the neighborhood, and certainly the listing agent, if you're not the listing agent, will also tell you some things, but you might find out a little bit more about what's coming, or situations that might be very helpful for you when you're selling this neighborhood. And then make it really personal. So you might have a QR code on a stand where people can scan it, and that will take them to a link for this property. If you're not going to use, let's say, paper brochures, etc., this is a good way for you to share property information, maybe information about where the nearest dining, shopping, how far it is into town or to the airport, school rankings. So, and also offer that they can subscribe to your newsletter, your monthly newsletter about what's going on in the neighborhood, or to contact you for further information if they're interested in getting a comparative market analysis on their own home. So again, it's all about getting that relationship and having the time. So try to really engage with people and find some commonality when they come through the door. Again, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group. I would love to help you with your business. And if you're interested and want to chat more, just give me a call.